Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be making spicy vodka pasta with rigatoni, but without the vodka. Or if you're on TikTok, it's famously known as the GIGI HADID pasta. It's super creamy, so delicious, and really easy to make, so let's get right into it. First, we're going to add half a cup of olive oil to our saucepan. Sometimes I like to add the olive oil from a sun-dried tomato jar for even extra flavor. Then we'll add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, as well as 2/3 cups of tomato paste. Tomato paste can be really acidic, so this step is very important. You need to cook down the tomato paste in the olive oil for about 4 to 5 minutes. It's going to turn a deep red, almost brown color, and that's when you know it's ready. Now you can pour in your heavy cream, and we're using 1 1/3 cup. This is all going to be over medium heat. Make sure to whisk it very well until it's nice, smooth, and really creamy. Now it's time to spice it up with some red pepper flakes. I like to add some dried basil and then salt and pepper to taste. When you're adding the salt, keep in mind that when we add parmesan later, that also has salt, and if you choose to add some pasta water later, that's also going to have some salt. So now we're going to add our freshly grated parmesan, and I like to go a little bit crazy with the cheese. We're also going to add a little bit of unsalted butter for more creaminess as well as flavor. Just mix that all in together until it's smooth and creamy again. For the rigatoni, I just cook it in some salted water according to package directions, and that was about 13 minutes. Before you drain your pasta, make sure to reserve about a cup of pasta water. I like my pasta sauce a little more on the thicker side, so I only add about half a ladleful of pasta water. Now we can finally add in our cooked pasta and toss it in the sauce really well to coat each piece evenly. Also, make sure not to add any oil to your cooked pasta, otherwise the sauce won't stick well. And then we're basically done. Just to make the pasta pretty for serving, I like to garnish it with some freshly chopped parsley as well as some more red pepper flakes. I like to serve it with some chicken and salad or even some garlic bread, and it makes the perfect meal. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when I upload a new video. If you try this recipe out, let me know how you like it in the comments and drop a recommendation of what you want to see me make in my next video. The full measurements will be written down below in the description, so make sure to check that out. I'll also link some recipes for side dishes that you can serve with this pasta. And on that note, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.